This question is based on a redox titration calculation. I think it's a tricky question because it's not just the titration calculation, it's the chemistry in it. So we have to know that in this reaction, ion 2 is going to get oxidized because it's reacting with potassium manganate, which is a very powerful oxidizing agent. Manganate becomes manganese 2 plus. We need that from memory. Ion 2 plus will be oxidized, therefore become ion 3. You multiply by 5 the first half equation so that you have the same number of electrons in both. You add them up, and then you get the molar ratio between ion 2 and manganate, which is 5:1. You see the protons that you need, they are coming from sulfuric acid. That's what you need sulfuric acid for. Calculate the moles of potassium manganate using the concentration and the volume. Multiply by 5, that gives you the moles of ion 2. Multiply the moles by the MR of ion, that's the mass of ion. Divide the mass of ion by the total mass times 100, that's the percentage mass of ion in your sample. I hope it makes sense. You can ask questions in the comments, and that's it. Bye.